Acne is a common skin condition that happens when hair follicles under the skin become clogged. Sebum, oil that helps keep skin from drying out, and dead skin cells plug the pores, which leads to outbreaks of lesions, commonly called pimples or zits. Acne is a common condition that usually begins during puberty because of hormonal changes. Acne can be either superficial or deep. If untreated, acne can cause scarring that can last a lifetime. Avoiding substances that make acne worse, and early treatment of acne, can reduce or prevent acne scars. Today in this video, I will share how to make DIY for acne treatment. At first, you will need 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel, help eliminate acne-causing bacteria, tighten pores, remove sebum, dust, dirt, and dead cells. Next you will need 1 tablespoon of neem powder, helps balance the skin's oil production, thus minimizing acne from its roots and preventing acne scars and hyperpigmentation. Mix these ingredients until to get smooth paste. Daily apply on your face and neck, wash it off after 20 minutes. A mixture of neem and aloe vera is beneficial in soothing irritated skin. The polysaccharides and anti-inflammatory properties of aloe vera make it a perfect hydrating gel. Neem also contains properties that hydrate the skin.